Hey guys, Ned here from the Waitress Academy. Let's open a bottle of wine in a fine dining restaurant the right way. Alright, you go to the table, the gentleman or the lady order a bottle of wine. You need to go to the cellar, bring the bottle and present it to the person that ordered it. Doesn't matter if it's the lady or it's the gentleman who ordered the bottle, you present the bottle to this person. To open a bottle of wine in a normal settings, without decanting, without anything specific, you need the bottle, you need a handle, wine handle, and you need a wine opener. So let's go. I will approach the gentleman, present the bottle, and open it for them and serve it. There you go, sir. Rosso di Montepulciano, Cantina Vecchia, Tuscany, 2022. Thank you so much. That is all it takes, guys. From now on, all we have to do is, during the evening, we observe the glasses, and once we see that the lady or the gentleman has a little bit left in their glass, we will approach them, take the bottle. Would you like me to refill your glass? No, thank you. All right. You're very welcome, sir. Put it back. If he says yes, please, then you refill it. And usually what we do is, if the lady has also a little bit left in the glass, we're gonna first refill the lady and then the gentleman. But make sure that you never leave an empty glass on the table. We always go and we always ask. Do not automatically refill. Always ask the lady or the gentleman, would you like me to refill your glass? That's it. That's all it takes. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel or to the FM Facebook page, and we are coming with more videos and more training for you and for everybody else that wants to be a waiter and doesn't know how to do the job yet. Peace. Hey guys, come and watch the best waiters in the world compete for $50,000 in the world's top waiter competition. Vote for your favorite contestants and learn from the F&B service procedure they will show you. Click on the link and join me inside. I'll see you there.